Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video today I will show you how to save a section in Squarespace. Now you can save a section and you can then duplicate it, and you can also use it or reuse it on other pages within your page or on other pages on Squarespace. Now before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get to the video. So basically, as you can see, here's how you can save a section in Squarespace 7.1. Now, hover over the page section and this will reveal a pop-over with a heart icon. You can basically see this right here. This is a hover. Now, you need to click the heart icon, and this will prompt Squarespace to save the section. You can also duplicate the section right here if you want to duplicate it. However, we just want to save the section. You'll know a section has been saved because another popover will appear showing all saved actions, which is right here. As you can see, my saved actions. Now every time you add a page section using the add section buttons in the editor, you will be given an option to add a new section or add a saved section, which you have right here. Now basically, once you do that, you can go to my saved sections once you add a section, and you will be able to go, and here you have all your saved sections, which is pretty sweet. If you ask me, this is one of the best Squarespace features that they have currently. So obviously, if you want to see more videos on Squarespace, we are uploading daily, so you can go to our channel, and not just Squarespace, but a lot of other videos as well. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.